In this video, I'll show you how you can change the controller icon set in Warframe Mobile. So all you have to do is launch the game and then tap on the menu icon in the top left corner and then select options, and then within the options tap on the second icon, the controller icon, and then you should see the second option, controller icon set. So there are a couple of options you can choose from. You can choose it to auto detect whenever you connect a controller, or you can choose from Xbox One, PlayStation 4 pad, or also Nintendo Switch pad. So choose the one that you prefer. So if you are connected to a PS5 controller like I am, you'll have to select PlayStation 4 and then select confirm to apply the changes. Now once you go back to the same settings in the controller settings, you'll notice whenever you select customize control, it will give you the settings for that particular controller you have chosen. If you choose, let's say for instance, Xbox One and then select confirm and then go back to the customize control, it will give you the Xbox pad layout. The same goes for Nintendo Switch. You can select confirm and then access the controller settings. So once you go to the controller settings, you can see that the layout has detected the Nintendo Switch layout, or the Nintendo Switch controller, sorry. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.